Hello, I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota probate attorney. This is a tale about a Minnesota stepfamily, which can happen all too often in reality. After Dad passed away, Mom lived by herself for a while and eventually met someone new. 6 years ago, she remarried, this time to a man who was very different from her first husband. Her two adult children, Jeff and Jenny, did not get along with their new stepfather, Seth, Mom's second husband. When Mom was diagnosed with lung cancer, it seemed like Seth did not keep Jeff and Jenny informed about Mom's medical condition. Arguments ensued. When Mom passed away, Seth told the adult children after the funeral that he was getting all of Mom's real estate, bank accounts, and investments. Jeff and Jenny think that their stepfather, Seth, is stealing their share of the inheritance. Who is entitled to the inheritance under Minnesota law? As a probate attorney, I can tell you this is a commonly asked question. Now the answer is, well, it depends. If there is a will, Mom may have left her assets to Seth or her children or some combination of the two. If Mom wrote the will while she was not of sound mind or while she was under duress, the will may not be valid. A will can be legally challenged in those situations. If Mom and her second husband had their assets in joint tenancy, then Seth may receive all of those assets. If there is no will, the surviving spouse, namely Seth, can get his statutory share, which could be most or all of Mom's estate. If the homestead was titled in Mom's name, the spouse may be entitled to live in the house during his lifetime, after which the home may go to the children. Stepfamily probate questions frequently become complicated because each case is different. The issues can become even more difficult to sort out when there have been several marriages of the decedent, especially if there are children from an earlier marriage. In the old fairy tale, The Gold-Bearded Man, a dying king's wish is for his queen to honor him by taking care of their son. No sooner had the king passed away than the queen remarried a new man. The stepfather was very cruel to the son, who later became a king in his own right by demonstrating that kindness to others. History is full of examples of fighting or bitterness between stepparents and stepchildren. After a death in the family, clashes between stepparents and stepchildren can be especially heated. Now, when this happens, it's a smart idea for them to consult with an experienced probate attorney. The manner of the estate distribution depends on the particular facts and circumstances of each situation. If the stepparent and stepchildren receive good legal advice, this can often avoid unnecessary fights and unlawful actions. However, if there is going to be a legal battle, it's good to know that from the start. I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota probate attorney. If you're dealing with these issues, I can help. Call me at 1-888-910-5297, toll free, for a free, no-obligation consultation. Don't lose out on your share of the inheritance by waiting.